This is the first of 2 tutorials that I'm making for the Christmas in July fairies. Of course, this is something that you don't have to make it in Christmas or holiday colors. You can make it in whatever color you want and use it whenever you want to. Now, this tutorial is to make this napkin ring. Now, this napkin ring could also be used to wrap around a candle, like this. And what it actually is memory wire. And I'm gonna show you. This is from Beading. It's memory wire. You have, this is the bracelet size. This is the regular bracelet, and then you have the large bracelet size. This is the regular, and this is the large. And it's called memory wire because no matter how you stretch it, it always comes back to its original shape. To make the napkin rings, I'm using the regular size, but if you want to put it around a large candle, you are better off with a slightly larger size. And as you can see, it's kind of like a slinky. What else are you gonna need? Some heavy duty pliers and sturdy round nose pliers, bead soup in the colors you want, and if you want to make these dangly ornaments here, some beads and metal wire. I'm gonna put these aside for now, and I will make the smaller size bracelet in these white, silver and blue colors. Now you can cut with the pliers, you can cut the amount of rings that you want. I'm so sorry, this is a fighter jet that just flew over and the dogs really cannot stand it. They get really angry at it and it happens often. Okay, so back to the tutorial. Now this is a 5 round, and it will be the same size. So I'm gonna use it as it is. But if you want it smaller, you just cut off a little amount of rings that you want. If you want it larger, you know, you leave more rings. It's straightforward. Okay, let's start. So first, we are gonna make sure that the beads won't fall off the memory wire, and that is fairly easy. Just with the round nose pliers, make a loop. And I would like to warn you, this is fairly hard. This metal, it's steel, it's very hard. Go. Just make a loop like this, and then you just start stringing. I don't use a pattern, but you can think of a pattern. If that makes you happy, you can just say one of each, one of this, one of that, one of this, one of that. I'm just gonna grab and string them as they come. Darn it. There you go. Now what you can also do is use the wire as some kind of needle to pick up the beads, like this. You can stretch it, it's not gonna hurt the wire. And as you can see, this is really, really easy, and this is something you can easily do with the kids. Just make sure that they don't hurt themselves, you know, with the wire, because it can be sharp. But you can just do it with them, and they're gonna have a blast, and they're gonna be so proud when they see their creations are being used. Okay, so I think for camera purposes it's better if I do it like this. It's nicer to see. Ooh. See, sometimes you can pick up more than one, and it just, you know, the beads decide where they go. So, okay. I'm gonna just push them to the end so you can see. Oh, I love how it looks already. So I'm gonna continue doing this, and when I'm almost done, I will see you back. Okay. So now it's practically impossible to fill it all the way up because it's just gonna fall off. But also you need a few centimeters, like at least half an inch to close. I'm gonna make the dangly bit, and you have seen me make this eye horizontally on the wire, but we want the thingy, we want the charms to dangle, so we're gonna have to do it a little bit differently and just do it like this, sideways. Now, like I told you, this is quite hard, so the best way to do it is to turn it a little bit and move the pliers, and then move it just a little bit more, because this is steel. This is really hard, and it's made or supposed to be only bended this way. So this is pretty hard, but you can do it. Now we have a loop, and on that loop we can hang charms. Now I have made a tutorial on how to make earrings, which was originally not really a tutorial, but just something to show my friend Natalie from Natalie's Closet how to do it, or how I do it. But let me show you again. You take an eye pin and you put your beads on. I put a little one first because this has a large hole and I don't want it to glide off the head pin. Now you cut it like a centimeter from the bead, and then with flat nose pliers you bend it 90 degrees. With the round nose pliers twist, move your pliers and re-grab, twist, twist, or bend, actually, more like it. And there you go, an eye. I'm gonna do the same here, and this one doesn't need an extra seed bead, but I'm gonna do it on top because, you know, it's just pretty. You can really use your imagination, do whatever you feel like doing here. You don't have to make any charms. You can leave it as it is. You can also use ready-made charms. Like, you can buy the cutest charms at the hobby stores. So again, I lost my my pearly white one. Again, bend. And no, this one is not perfect. If you want to make a little flower or a little leaf like this one, it's pretty easy also. You just need a bit of thin metal wire. There we go. And string some beads. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just gonna make the large one sit in the middle. There you go. Okay, so you make sure that this is in approximately in the middle of your wire, and you make a loop like this, and then you twist. Like this. And then with the other sides, you do the same. I'm not gonna put a very large one in here, just because. And again, here, you bend it and you twist. Gonna do the same with this. And you can really do it however you feel like. You can make patterns, you can make sure that they're perfectly symmetrical, or you can do it completely randomly like I am doing. See, I strung a little bit of beads. Again, fold it. Ooh, am I on camera? There you go. Fold it and twist. And now I have kind of like a 4-leaf clover, a 3-leaf clover. Oh, I'm gonna make one more. And twist. Okay. I could have taken a little bit of a longer wire. There we go. I have like a 4-leaf clover kind of thingy. And then just to finish it up. No, it's not looking good. I'm not gonna do it. Then you twist the 2 wires together. And attach it to the loop. Fold it, and you guessed it, twist. And there you go. We attached it. Now this you can cut off. And just make sure that it doesn't stick out so no one gets hurt. And there we go. I'm just gonna attach these 2 little ones here with a jump ring, but you can just attach it straight to the loop there. It's just gonna dangle better with the ring. That wasn't supposed to happen. There we go. And actually don't like doing it with 2 pairs of, with a pair of round nose. I like 2 flat nose pliers to open and close rings. There you go. And there we go. We have little dangly decoration. It's a bit similar to this one, but it's different. You can use your imagination to make these napkin rings. I'm just gonna put them nicely together like this, so you can see them. And I also want to show you, I made one of the larger ones and wrapped it around a candle, so you can see what I meant, like this. So, and there you have it. I told you this was easy. You don't need a lot of special materials, just seed beads or other beads, whatever you have at home. The only special thing you need is the memory wire, but Beading is a brand that's quite easily available in craft stores. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope I inspired you to make some decorative items for the holidays, or just, you know, for that one special occasion. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, or if you want to share, because that actually, I really appreciate that, you can always email me at cats.eyecatchers@gmail.com, or of course you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Feel free to share and like this tutorial. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. And if you aren't a subscriber yet, feel free to hit that subscription bell.